She is perfect for the scene. Just take her words and follow your dreams. Erica, talk to me. What's the 411? Cause I'm in need. Erica, please talk to me. What's the 411? Cause I'm in need.
Yeah, yes, you guys. There was a verdict today. I don't think they're absolute, but they are done. The Yak Gotti and the other young man, they are done. However, they have some other young men are waiting to go to trial still. So I don't understand. I hope the state don't try to take them back to court because I think that they will lose. This situation has been a roller coaster, a circus. You know what I'm saying? And things are now being exposed. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm definitely happy that they did win. You know what I'm saying? We couldn't even ask for nothing better. The whole world was watching, to be honest. But here we go.
Disruption or disturbance in court, regardless of what this verdict is. So, can we get the jury out, please?
There we go.
All rise for the jury.
I ain't gonna lie, this is so stressful. Oh my God. I just know you don't know what's going on in their stomach.
Pause here, President accounted for.
All right, thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I understand that you all have reached a verdict. Mr. Foreperson, is that correct? All right, and was it unanimous? All right, and this verdict has been filled in and signed and dated by you, correct? Oh, for each defendant. All right, and I noticed that Mr. Kendrick's verdict form is dated December 2nd. Is that because that's when you all reached the verdict with regard to him? Okay, and then Mr. Stillwell's is dated today. Okay. All right, Mr. Kendrick, you have been found not guilty on all charges.
Look at him. Y'all better
Mr.
stop
Stillwell.
being crazy.
Can you please stand? You have been found guilty on count 64, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and not guilty on every other charge.
Oh my God. Look, that's that. Look, you guys, I don't even know what to say.
So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you are officially released from further service. And
I'm sorry, y'all. I have to remove that, right? Remove. Okay. Honest to God, you guys, I've been watching it for so long, and then kind of when Thug got out, but I'll peep at it because I didn't know. It was just so unreal that they could just not take real evidence nowadays and just use lyrics and try to paste things together like we in high school instead of following the law now. So anybody can get mad. I'm glad now Trump gonna be in there because all the corrupted people, they got to go. They just got to go. Enough is enough. When I tell you, when I seen not guilty, which I felt it, but you never know because obviously, you know, a lot of people can prejudge people before they go in those courtrooms and be jurors. But it seems that they really, really, really looked at the evidence. They wasn't worrying about the mixed matching. They had one situation where they thought Shannon was on the phone when she wasn't because the games that the state was playing, but the judge straight told them we can't mislead the jury like like this is this man on the phone when it's not. But y'all, I am so happy that we got none guilty verdict. I haven't been on live in a long time, but obviously I will be still going on back on live just as well. On TikTok, Erica Trunell _ the other one's Erica Trunell. Erica Trunell is basically me when I'm dressed up looking good, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, oh my God, and I'm hoarse because of TikTok. But y'all, I just could not be happy for these folks. I'm super happy, I'm trying to process it. I didn't put it up because I think I was just so overwhelmed because a lot of people don't get to come home. A lot. Kudos to their lawyers for not giving up. Kudos for their lawyers for fighting for them. Kudos for Atlanta, Georgia, and the whole world who was watching. At the end of the day, if we got to look at it, if Thug was not involved, they never would have been on the front stage of how corrupted they can be. So I'm happy he's home. Obviously, he didn't plead guilty to none of the gang-related stuff, only to the stuff that they found, on him. I guess whenever they arrest him, they do need to investigate that situation with that watch. They just do, and I hope they do, and I hope the attorneys to help them more that they kind of rally together to get the courts or the Supreme Court involved when it comes down to lyrics and using or whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're not able to do that. You should have to bring witnesses. Y'all, if they didn't want them, they wouldn't care. They wouldn't even care about solving the case. That's how it works. L and W, whatever they can get in front of the people. So you guys don't just pay attention to them. Pay attention to everybody going in those courtrooms. Pay attention to the juror that's in the courtroom. Y'all got to start paying attention to the community itself because the jurors is the ones that determine if guilty or not guilty. So we have to start pressing and stop not wanting to go to jury duty because your voice may be the voice that's in that room can say, look, we're not going to do this like this. Look at the evidence. Don't come in here with all that. So as a juror, the world, we be hiding to keep from going to court. And y'all be like, they locking everybody up. But half of us BLK people don't want to go and sit in jury to free some of us up because the judge is just the person. He the medium person. The prosecutor wants you. You have a paid lawyer, he gonna fight for you. So all I can tell you guys, kudos to the YSL boys. You feel me? Have a great day.